Okay, hi everyone. It's a community call on the PHP 7.2 support project on Magento 2. So let's go through the current status of the project that we have for today. Maybe John, you can start from what you were doing.
The last week I was focusing on fixing the count in CE and also help on the EE and the B2B side of addressing some issue of the count fix. Right now, all the change has been delivered to live upgrades. Other than that, I was working on some PRs to get it merged to live upgrades.
Okay, so we have this one. It's CE, right?
Yeah, that probably should be flagged as merged.
Closed, yeah. So I guess I can move closed. This one is done. Okay, thank you. Ben, do you want to go through?
Sure. So last week I was working on doing some of the same work for EE, and that should also have gotten wrapped up. I was also going through some of the community pull requests, reviewing them, and then wound up taking most of them on and kind of finishing up some work there and getting those merged into the CE code base. So that all got wrapped up in the last couple of days. So as a result, we'll be able to pull out a handful more Zen modules and get our Zen release done.
Okay, great, thank you. Jacob, do you have something?
Yeah, for the last week, I've been updating the usage of count in B2B. And with the help of Joan, I think we have that completed now, and it's been merged into the branch that we've been working on.
Cool, thank you. Okay, so I also have an update from Daniel. He couldn't join the call, but he was also working on some public pull requests that we have. So he was working on the Zen code upgrade and also Zen SOAP, and he was helping with the pull request that updates Zen views and MVC and Redis libraries. So in the end, we are merging almost everything. We do not merge Zen MVC upgrade. We moved it to a separate task, and it should be done. There is work that needs to be done additionally because a new version of Zen MVC works differently with controllers. So we need to update our controllers in setup application. So that's one part he was working on. Also, he was working on some of our internal builds on our internal infrastructure, and right now everything looks pretty good. So this is the status that you can see for PHP 7.2 and 7.1 on our builds. So like on the last, as I understand, they are green. And that's great. So it means that we are almost ready for merging to the mainline. So that's another part from Daniel. Yeah, only one test or like only one job that will not work is upgrade scenario from Magento 2.1 to Magento 2.3 because we need to switch PHP version in the middle. So this work will be done separately, and after that we will have this scenario covered by automated builds, but we'll do it after merging to the main line. So that's the work that Daniel was working on. And also I just wanted to mention, I think Ryan is not joining the call, but some updates from the QA side. We have also David joined us. For QA activities, right now we really need it because we are ready to merge a lot of work that we were doing for the last several weeks, and we will go through the scenarios. I think right now we are pretty ready for that. We have green builds, and I think probably almost all the work that we need, or maybe even all the work that we need, is merged in one branch libs upgrade, so we can start testing it. And when it's done and any discovered issues fixed, we will be able to merge to the main line. So we expect that it should happen in the nearest days. Yeah, I think that's what I had. What else? So also another small upgrade is that, as I understand, there is a contribution day happening right now, and yeah, there were some requests from community on which task they can work on. So we are updating our board to be up to date, and so anybody can take some task from it. Couple important tasks that are left and will be delivered separately. A separate pull request is Zend MVC upgrade, the one that I mentioned, and also PHP unit upgrade. So it can be delivered separately because PHP unit doesn't really affect the application itself, and we can pretty easily test any change in PHP unit related stuff. And Zend MVC affects only setup applications, so we can scope those testing activities. Yeah, important update for anybody who was not following all the PHP 7.2 work is that after we merge to mainline, PHP 7.0 support will be dropped. So it's important to understand. And related to that, the vagrant box that people may use for Magento, the one that is maintained by Alex Palaros from Magento core team. It currently supports PHP 7.0, but Alex is working right now on adding PHP 7.1 and 7.2 support. So I hope you'll get it ready soon. There are also a couple of Docker images that were prepared in the scope of PHP 7.2 project. You can find it on the wiki page of our PHP 7.2 project if you will need it. I can show quickly. So on our wiki page, on the main page, there is development environment section, and it has a couple links to DevBox, to the Docker images that you can use for PHP 7.2 if necessary. I think that's all from my side. Anybody wants to add anything? Any questions? I don't know, Piotr, do you have any questions?
Yeah, maybe I missed the mcrypt status.
So right now, no new updates for mcrypt. We are moving with mcrypt compat library. I think it was delivered even last week. So this is the status that we're moving on. Right now, nothing new happened currently. So yeah, we are trying to at least unblock any PHP 7.2 items, fix critical scenarios, fix builds. And yeah, only after that, I think we will proceed with moving to libsodium, which is our initial, eventual goal.
Okay.
Yeah. Anything else? So, yeah, just to sum up all this is that we will be merging our work to mainline. It will deliver PHP 7.2 support in the composer JSON of the Magento. It will remove 7.0 though, and we say that our builds will be green at that moment. So this is our validation currently. So I think that's a status, and we will have a couple more libraries to be updated, which we'll be working on. So yeah, I think then that's all for today. Thank you for joining. Thank you for your work.
I guess when will the testing start that Ryan's scoped out? Or did he give that in his update?
I think, yeah, you need to talk to Ryan probably. Yeah, he was collecting the tests that we need to run on
Okay.
this leads and
Still
break
forming.
branch.
Okay.
Yes, I think he should have it.
Okay, cool.
Mhm.
Thank you.
Yeah, so I guess, yeah, that's it. Thank you and see you next week.